Hello and welcome to GK Today. In this session, we will discuss about Ninja Missile. So let's start. Recently, US killed the al-Qaeda chief Ayman al-Zawahiri in a missile attack. The top secret weapon which was used, also known as Ninja Bomb or missile or flying Jinsu, is basically a modified version of the renowned Hellfire missile, which was an anti-tank weapon developed in 1980s and was later modified numerous times, especially after the 9/11 attacks, to target individuals. The missile is designed in a way that it can shove more than 45 kg of metal in order to kill its target, be it a car or a building. This is also called Hellfire R9X. The most lethal aspect of the R9X is the halo of 6 long blades which are packed inside that deploy through the skin of the missile moments before impact to ensure that it shreds anything in its tracks. The reason behind the development of the Hellfire R9X missile was to minimize civilian deaths. Experts believe that the R9X was used in Zawahiri's killing, as images available in the public domain show no sign of explosion. The missile was developed during Barack Obama's presidency in 2011 amid concerns over the number of civilians being killed in drone strike campaigns in the Middle East. The Ninja missile is so nicknamed because it forgoes the use of an explosive warhead. There are 6 long blades inside the missile and are deployed through the skin of the missile just a few seconds before the impact. This ensures that anything in its track is shredded. It is different from the traditional Hellfire missile. It leaves no mark, no burns, no scorches, and all that is left is the points of entry. Because of this, the R9X is informally called the Flying Jinsu, a reference to the Japanese knives sold in the 1970s and 80s that were marketed to cut through aluminum cans and were exceptionally sharp. New variant weighs about 45 kg and can be launched from drones, helicopters, and aircrafts. That's all in this session. See you soon.